Hello, my name is Rita from Italy. I'm here with my Italian friends, and this museum is beautiful, full of cultural elements of this beautiful region, Ravenna, which is so interesting. And everyone working at the museum explains very well, and they are very welcoming and very spontaneous. So come to the museum, very beautiful. With Rita, it's very interesting. We sang and danced together, learned about Ravenna culture. So thank you very much.
Thank you very much for the experience. It was a surprise, and we are all very happy to see what the culture can give and to meet some of the important people of this region. Thank you. Hi all, I'm from Italy. This museum is very beautiful. We learn a lot of things about this culture. Thank you very much.
ቤታችንን እንድትጎብኝተው አይቶ በጣም አመስግነዋል። ቀጥሎም ደግሞ የተለያዩ ቦታዎች መጣን ጎበኛች እና እዚህ በስዕል ያያናቸው ቦታዎች ሁሉንም ቦታ በየውስጥ መጥተን እንጎበኛለን ብለዋል።